Hey guys, it's Geordie from Success Addicts here. I hope you're having an amazing Sunday. I'm here to break down a 15-minute supply sell that on Friday the 11th, 11:15 at 11:15 a.m. So as we can see here, basically prices put in a new bracket structure, creating the protected high here. So basically meaning that if price broke this high, this would be a bullish change of character. So we can see price put a new low. We had a bracket structure, and we also had some imbalance here. Imbalance is very important. As you can see, there's not really as good of inducement. Like, you might class this. This is weak inducement because it's really far away from the zone. You'd more want to see inducement up here, but you don't need inducement for every single entry. It's just a good thing to have. So as we can see here, price puts in a new low. We come to the protected high 15-minute supply. For this, I just marked out the 15-minute black candle because it's unmitigated, or you might even mark out the buy to sell here. But I'll just mark out this. As we can see, we can see price comes up, taps the zone. After price taps the zone, we see 1 minute change of character on the lower time frame. So once price has just tapped it, we have this change of character here. This is probably a better change of character. You might even have this as a change of character. The only difference is, as we can see, price is in a big uptrend right now. Oh, that is the wrong thing. As we can see, price is in a big uptrend right now. There's really no pullback. There's no pullback here, so I'd class this as a stronger low. But you can definitely, if this suits your plan, you can definitely mark this out as a change of character. Because to some degree, there are some breaks of structure here. But it just comes down to what you backtest. We can see after price as a change of character. So with change of characters, we do classify wicks as change of characters, just because that's what we do really. Well, it comes down to what you forward test and back test, but that's what we do here anyway, mean voids. So basically, we can see price has a big push down. We can see a small pull back up, creating inducement. We have the 1 minute supply marked out here. Inducement from 2 points, validifying the zone even more. And we can even see right here where there are no wicks, there's even some imbalance. So this even adds to the zone even more. So after we see price tab, we see a bearish reaction. You don't have to use them, but you can see there's a bearish engulfing candle there. Whatever. I don't recommend using candlestick patterns. But so about 50% of the 1 minute right here, always a set stop of 4. And because 15-minute is bearish and this isn't counter trend, basically targeting 6R. So this is basically just what we target for continuation setups, and we can see it perfectly hit 6. If it was counter trend, I would be targeting this demand here because we're going against what 15-minute is doing, but because 15-minute is bearish here, we just target 6R right here. As we can see, there was some sort of pullback, but with our set stop before, it didn't actually stop us. Now, I know it's a little bit sketchy, but as we can see, I usually like to see price come in to about 50% of these 15 minutes here, but I'm always happy to make a risk entry off 50% mitigation of a 15-minute supply or 15-minute demand. But with this entry, we can see there was a change of character, so I'm always happy to take a change of character even if it just slightly taps a 15-minute. I never risk enter right off. Like, unless you wanted to, you could risk entry off this 15-minute here, but the risk to reward just isn't there, even targeting 6 is a big push, and we are low down to the leg. So yeah, so that's basically the entry. You can see we have the imbalance, breaker structure, protected high, lower time continuation. We had the lower time frame change of character. We had inducement with the setup. This was a perfect setup. That's basically it. If you have any questions, just ask us in the Discord, and look forward to the next video.